Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to make a circular test in Blender. After starting Blender, we can go to Add and Add the test. So we can select the test and go to Edit mode to edit the test. I type circular test in Blender. Let me check the spelling. This is correct. And then we can go back to object mode and then we can add the circular curve. We can go to add curve and add the base circle. And we can press S to adjust the size. I select the test again and go to Modifier properties and add the modifier. Go to deform, we can find Curve Modifier. And then go to curve objects, we can select the base circle. So we can see that the test in circular shape. We can adjust the size of the circle. We can adjust the size of the test. We can go to objects data properties and find fonts and transform. We can adjust the size here. And also we can make it thick by using extrude. So this is how we can make a circular test in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.